Hello, Beshi! Pag nakakita kayo ng ampalaya at itlog, anong naiisip nyo? So, let's guys. I just wanna start chopping this kind of bitter gourd. It's very nice. It's very fresh. Guys, if you want to try this one, you can just buy at NTUC for only, this one cost me only $1.12 at NTUC. And then the eggs, I just stole it inside the fridge, and then 3 cloves of garlic. Yeah, after that, okay, as you can see, I also play this or enjoy doing this kind of things about the bitter gourd. Slice it and chop, and then set aside, put it in the container. And then you have to chop the, next you have to chop the garlic like that, tap. And then it's not rinse too much, so I just use this. And then of course the egg, 2 eggs. Crack the eggs, put in a bowl. Same thing to the other one. And then you have to add some salt for the taste, of course, before you mix it. Okay guys, you have to mix this because, well, for it's like a scrambled egg, so I'm using this and mixing, so the salt will be mixed together. Chan, it's like playing, but be careful as well. So after doing this, I already prepared the pot. I prepared the pots and then turn on the stove, the fire for a medium heat only. Of course, I have the magic heads like that, and then put some oil. And then when the oil is already hot, and then you can add the garlic. Yes, cook the garlic until the aroma will come. Well, yes, if you smell the aroma already of the garlic, and then okay, you can put the bitter gourd. Just wait for a few minutes. Okay guys, for myself, I don't want the bitter gourd to be overcooked, and because I'm also eating the bitter gourd as fresh, and it's very nice for me, so I just saute a little bit, put some salt for the taste, of course, because if you overcook the bitter gourd, it will be so bitter, you're not able to eat it. But for me, I just saute for maybe 2 minutes, that's it for me. And then that when you think it's already okay for you, then you can add the egg, the beaten egg. Yeah, so I don't put too much of egg because guys, it's just for me to call it plagat in Tagalog. In English it's like bitter gourd, oh my gosh. But so ready na ang aking lagat. Ayan, so guys, lutuin ko lang siya ng konti pa, tapos okay na siya. At ako lalamon na dahil diet ako, wala pong rice yan, ganyan lang yan. Thank you for watching guys, sana naman gustuhan nyo.